This was your favorite story of the day. Feds seize OnePlus buds, mistaking them for counterfeit AirPods. And I like this story because it actually has an update, and I think this update is going to be interesting to you. So this was floating around as far back, I believe, Friday or definitely by Saturday, because I noted it. I was like, I got to talk about this. This is crazy. There were, I don't know what the total number is, but a large number of OnePlus buds seized by U.S. Customs and Border Protection this weekend. It was at JFK International in New York, and they were proud of it. The CBP officer seized 2,000, okay, there you go, 2,000 units, counterfeit Apple AirPods earbuds from Hong Kong destined for Nevada at an air cargo facility. The agency wrote in the press release, if the merchandise were genuine, the manufacturer's suggested retail price would have been $398,000. They're just so matter of fact about, they're fake AirPods, knockoff AirPods.
Yeah, the feds are like, yes, finally, we got one.
That's it.
Yeah.
And of course, it's a different product. You brought the product to me over here, and I wonder if that shipment had have been in blue, if the same thing would have happened. Because it's obvious, they look a lot like AirPods. I mean, you have the branding on the box.
Yep.
They're OnePlus products. But it does say something about the general form factor of these things and how similar they all are and how inspired they all are by what Apple did with the AirPods. I mean, that's just a fact.
Yeah.
And so to U.S. Customs and Border Protection Group, they just say, oh, there's another one. There's another one, whether it's OnePlus or somebody else. Now, OnePlus, they went and made some tweets kind of joking about it. They seem to have played it pretty well. However, I don't know that they're actually going to get their merchandise, and I don't know that this will ever end up being purchased by end users. And the reason for that is because I go to the update on this article on Ars Technica, and they actually got a reply from Border Protection. And listen to this. You would have thought Border Protection would have said, oh, yes, we've updated. These are obviously not Apple products. They're OnePlus products. But no, listen to this. Upon examining the shipment in question, a CBP import specialist determined that the subject earbuds appeared to violate Apple's configuration trademark. Apple has configuration trademarks on their brand of earbuds and has recorded those trademarks with CBP. An agency spokesperson said, based on that determination, CBP officers at JFK have seized the shipment under, and there's a specific citing, CBP seizure of the earbuds in question is unrelated to the images or language on the box. A company does not have to put an Apple wordmark or design on their products to violate these trademarks. The importer will have many opportunities through the adjudication process to provide evidence that their product does not violate the relevant recorded trademarks. They're saying, we looked at Apple's trademark and we think it's too close. Crazy.
They doubled down on it.
That's wild. How does this stuff ever get in then?
Yeah.
And you can imagine if OnePlus had to adjudicate every time. Good luck. So it's a wild story. Maybe they got to ship more blue ones.
Yeah.
Only blue from here on out. But they're not alone. I mean, there's a lot of white earbuds out there. By the way, here's the regular. I have the regular AirPods over here. Regular AirPods, OnePlus buds in blue. I think these ones are at least far enough apart. The case here on the OnePlus buds is kind of in between the AirPods and AirPods Pro, but it is different. And what is an ear? What are you going to do with an earbud? How much more can you do with this shape? What more can you do? You can make it a box, but then it's harsh in the pocket. It's just got to be a curved thing that holds little items that go in your ear. You're kind of limited, but anyway, we'll see what happens. That was a hot story, by the way. I doubt we'll hear anything else about it. You know what? I should reach out to OnePlus and ask them directly.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do that before the next show. I'll send a couple DMs and see if there's any other information on that or if it's ever happened before.